Kakasi Jantia Presbyterian Synod Sepngi Man Lagasnem Kalayo Ban Penlong Ya ka Shillong Run Kum Shibenta Ban Kener Ya Ki jongka Sha ki Paramensim Ki Bakordor Ki Donkam Ya ka Jingirap Kum Ki Kunswet Nata ki Batolot Bor Ha Kamet Kaphat Ki Balangop Ha ki Jingmelin Ki Basniu Bat kiwei Pat Kasinat Kapenpauru Ya ka Jing Kublai Bat Sngongu Ya Baro Kinong Isim Benta Ha kane ka Shillong Run Kadu Yawai Nagalang juga Synod ngimla Benpam Lut Ya ka Jing Sngau Kabangidon Rai Kublai Shibun Ya pi Baro Kibra Penlut Ya kane Kapor Kabakordor Halor kane ka Shillong Run Ya Kabangitmu Banyarap na kabanta Kitu kibadonkam Ya ka Jingirap Blei Un kyrkhu Blei Un rekat Lembat pi Baro Kublai Shibun.
For 13 years, the Shillong Run has been more than just a race. It has become a movement that promotes health, unity, discipline, and community spirit. The theme, Run with Different Abilities, is especially meaningful. It reminds us that every individual deserves the opportunity to participate, compete, and be celebrated. Inclusion is not about seeing our differences, it's about recognizing our shared strength, determination, and humanity. The Government of Meghalaya, through the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, remains committed to creating opportunities for every citizen to participate in sports and physical activity. Across the state, we are investing in sports infrastructure, nurturing young talents, and encouraging active lifestyle because a healthy population is the foundation of a stronger Meghalaya. To all the runners assembled here today, whether you are aiming for the podium, running your first race, or simply participating for fitness and enjoyment, remember that your greatest competition is yourself. Every kilometer you compete is a victory over yesterday. Thank you, and may the spirit of the Shillong Run continue to inspire us all. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Bintang dan Samla prizes, jong ki persons with different abilities, about 15 years, men and women. Insan consolation prizes, namo bawan bahingo, mang kay bhalindo, bawan bahingo, mang kay bhalindo, bawan bahingo, bantay lang kaulili, bawan basan, Denisias Mali, Pasal, Peter Kajul. Kunai kajing kapti kabajam kini financial bynta, pula job how to consolation prize. Bahan real bantay lang kauliti. Bawan basan, Denisias Mali. Bawan basal, Peter Kajul. Bawan balai, Bantais Kemnangrum. Bawan baal, Roy Kupar Suyam. And first prize, Morris Tower. Tahapan insan prize, jong ki people with special abilities, about 15 years, women. Kita ada consolation prize, bawan bahingo, Kushwan Sri Batlari. 6th position, Piba Kordor Minsong. 5th position, I Silda Kaba. 4th position, Kyrkhu Chimpa. 4th position, June Mary Mukhin. 2nd position, Rakunei Singkon. 1st position, Weekend Bauer. Dapat insan, yaitu people with special abilities under 15 years boys. 7th position, Wan Dendok Basarimat. 6th position, Richard Christopher Kyrpang. 6th position. 5th position, Rupert Emmanuel Marbanyang. 4th position, Dazan Dandar Kharmuti. 3rd position, Nikhil, thank you. 2nd position, Bichang Lamansa C.H. Marak. And 1st position, Mandhalang Monsiek. For the category of people with special abilities under 15 girls, we have just 2 prizes. Second prize goes to Napi Bansuk Kurba. Napi Bansuk Kurba. And first prize, Gracefully Liam. Gracefully Liam. Dan ada ki prizes Shillong Job trong category dan 2% Shillong Kynthei K.J.P. Third prize man Victor Laosai. Victor Laosai. Second prize Lingdar Walang. Lingdar Walang. Kalan Lindo. Kalan Lindo. Masnod habang kot at ilang kami hindi pesan senam sejam. Second prize 51 yang. 81 yang. And first prize none other than Kongknon Walang. I could eat happy to the journey to Longkley, to journey to the island sea, and Mama's name, from Shillong Run to Shillong Run. (55 to 65 years women). Third prize goes to Rolinda Wanyang. Rolinda Wanyang. Second prize goes to Rolinda Wanyang. Rolinda Wanyang. And first prize goes to Smallest Marvin. Smallest Marvin. Impay Patshaki Wangba. The Wandalai has a Kadan the Balai Dei has to wear kaba. Has to wear kaba. The Wanda Bantes Ken Kongyer. Bantes Ken Kongyer. And the Wanda Mingkong Swanding Maulong. Swanding Maulong. (45 to 55 years women). The Wandalai Dilana Nika Melbo. The Wandalai Magdalisia Longwin. The Wandalai di Magdalisia Longwin. The Wandalipong Nina Mary Walang. Nina Mary Walang. Mentangan kot siwang ba, sampusan senan terita. The Wandalai Roman Carbani. Roman Carbani. The Wandalai Colin Swear. Colin Swear. Tapi dalam menikong iklan di Walang. Iklan di Walang. Shillong sir. Sixth position, Mohammed Abdul Rajak. Seventh position, Akash K. Kumar. Sixth position, Mohammed Abdul Rajak. Fifth position, Seventh position, Akash K. Kumar. Sixth position, Mohammed Abdul Rajak. Fifth position, Nortay M. Wantnal. Nortay M. Wantnal. Fourth position, Hepstarly Lincoln. Fourth position, Hepstarly Lincoln. Third position, 1 Cayman L. Marplan. 1 Cayman L. Marplan. Second position, Cresta June Papal. Cresta June Papal. And first position, Hasi Binson Myron. Hasi Binson Myron. Seventh position, Babita Kumari. Sixth position, Marculus Ramsey. Fifth position, Balavisha. Balavisha Pinyan. Fourth position, Anisha. Third position, Lakshmi Chauhan. Third position, Lakshmi Chauhan. Second position, Balasudar Patel. Second position, Balasudar Patel. First position, Tijas Vili Lamkani. Thank you so much, sir.
Ngayang ni nakamata ke Agency for Sustainable Development Initiative K.J.P. Synod Sepngi. Parman pau yang isngongo. Parman ai kublai ya kilang baro. Pula penlong ya kini ke Shillong Run dan ke arjar Rio. Kaba don jingmut. Kaba job bat kanong lesi kapsak jikan mau nakam jong ilang baro. Koi ngai kublai kyrpang sa sisien. Nakamata jong i chief guest jong i isa PB1 Nombri, Belong Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, Batmanta Uban Charge Ro, Kum Director Jong Kenika Department. Berpau kajing kublai sisi ni Reverend Moderator Reverend J.S. Hongi. Iblai kajing keren kalau kajing Aiman Sim Simone yangi ke department. But nganget tinggi lang baro. Ka jing kublai ke kyrpang. Kalau ru nak benta, jong pi baro, kinong isim benta, kiba hapo kanong ba Shillong, bat sabaru nangi na kanong ba Shillong. Pakai di kublai na kaliang jongi ka Agency for Sustainable Development Initiative, kalong nakamta jopi baro.
Hak Shillong Rio ngilak ban klan. Kene ko ke nyisa kalong. Blei Un klan. Ban kyrkhu ki pilale la kalong beri ni hagopa. Blei Un kyrkhu nang K.J.P baro. God bless you all. Thank you.